Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power. Make sure the case and both earbuds show charge, low battery interferes. Once charged, open the case and press the pairing button until the LED flashes. This forces pairing mode. You should have your phone or laptop Bluetooth screen open. Make sure Bluetooth is on and the device is within 3 meters. Use this immediate sequence because skipping a step can leave the earbuds undiscoverable. Next, keep the case open while you select the headset on your device. You now choose the Jlab listing on your device and tap Connect. Pairing is usually instant, but watch for a confirmation tone. Once connected, play a short audio clip to verify left and right channels and clear sound. If audio lags or drops, move closer or close other Bluetooth apps. Make sure the earbuds sit securely in your ear, seal effect space. Then open your device audio settings to set volume and any Jlab EQ presets. This gives you predictable performance and comfort. You finish by confirming automatic behaviors. Closing the case should pause and reconnect reliably when reopened. Once satisfied, check the Jlab app or support page for firmware updates. Keeping firmware current fixes many stability issues. If pairing or audio problems persist, perform a factory reset by holding the button for 10 seconds or until the LED sequence changes, then repeat pairing. If that fails, try another device to isolate the issue. This reset step solves most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.